Alright, today we're going to look at decreasing amount by a percent. So this is the subtraction method. So just like with increase, we added our increase, decrease, we're going to subtract it. So this requires us to break it up into parts. So here we're going to decrease 100 by 15%. So first off, we have to find what 15% of 100 is. Well, luckily, we know for this one, 15% of 100 is just 15. Nice and easy. So we start at our 100%. And then we're going to take away this time our 15%. So in this situation, it's 100 minus 15, and that's 85. So let's see this with some values that will actually make not just 115, so something that we actually have to calculate a little bit more. So here, decrease 70 by 36, so we have to make up this 36%. So how do we do that? So we know that this is 100%. Then we know that 10% is 70. So something we've seen before like this. And then we can say 1% is 0.7. So with this one, I'm going to do 36% as, let's do 7 times by 3. This is our 10%. Times by 3, right? And then we're going to add on, let's do 0.7 times by 7, right? So this will give us all together 21 plus 0.7 times 7 is 4.9, so that's 25.9. And now because we're doing a decreasing it by that 25.9, that means we're starting at 70, and we decrease this 25.9, which will be, well, if we take 25 off of 70, we're going to be at 45, right? So then if we take off 0.9 off that, we'll be at 44.1. And last one we're going to go through for this type of problem is decrease 198 by 12.5. So if we know that that is 100% is equal to 198, and I implore you when you're actually going through yourself, write them like this. Because it tells the person that's reading it too that, oh, this person knows that, hey, 10% then is just 19.8. So it can show some understanding, and if you have to go back and see where we made a mistake, it can help you a lot. So here, I know I want 12.5, so I'm going to find what 2.5 is. So I have to half 19.8. Well, that's almost 20. Half of 20 is 10, right? So it's going to be 9.9. And then 2.5, well, I've got to half this. So half of 9 is 4.5, and then half of this other 9 is 4.45. So 4.95. Right. So you can always go back and check by multiplying out and checking, but 0.95, right? 0.95 plus 0.95 is going to be that 0.9, and then we'll have 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. So now let's bring it all together and make this 10% plus 2.5%. Sorry, make that a little bit more legible, that 10. 10% plus 2.5%. And we are going to get 19.8 plus this 4.95. So that's going to result in, what's that, 20.3? Wait, no, so we'll just add on that 0.5 to begin with, because that won't change. This will give us 7, carry the 1, so 24.75, and we'll call it a day there.